So guys, this is in New South Wales. I'm not going to tell you whereabouts I live because that's very in person. Like, you don't hear Fanos Gaming saying it. Um, it's been there's been a lot of fires in New South Wales, and now we're finally getting thunderstorms and lightning and rain. So hopefully this can die off. Of course, you saw that flash. Another thing you want to avoid if you do live in New South Wales is you always watch out when you're in a thunderstorm like this, because you don't want to be walking with a phone listening to music, because yeah, this is the stuff that can happen. Let's keep watching. You will see it right there. Where's the lightning? Where's the lightning? Maybe if I click my fingers, you might see lightning. But yeah, I'm excited that I'm getting to capture this. There we go. That was a big one. Alright, see you guys.